In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to make an interactive Excel dashboard. First, we'll begin by visiting ChatGPT, your go-to AI assistant. This tool will be guiding us through each step as we navigate the process of building an engaging, data-driven Excel dashboard. Initially, it's crucial to clearly define your goal for this dashboard. Think about what data insights you're aiming to present, who your audience is, and what the dashboard's primary purpose will be. Are you looking to display sales data, analyze customer feedback, or track project progress? Having a well-defined goal will make it much easier to tailor the rest of the process. Once you've solidified your goal, the next step is to ask ChatGPT for a dashboard structure. This involves using ChatGPT's capabilities to guide you in outlining how your dashboard should be organized. You can prompt it by stating your objective and asking for a suggested layout that will help you achieve your intended insights. ChatGPT can suggest various elements such as tables, charts, and other visualizations that best represent your data. Following the dashboard structure, it's time to generate Excel formulas using ChatGPT. This is especially useful if you're working with complex data that requires advanced calculations. Simply input the data parameters or calculations you need and ask ChatGPT to provide you with the suitable Excel formulas. Whether it's VLOOKUPs, UMIFS, or more complex array functions, ChatGPT can help streamline this process. Next, let's focus on creating charts and interactivity in Excel. With the structure and formulas in place, your next task is to craft visual elements that will make your dashboard come alive. You can ask ChatGPT for advice on the best types of charts, be it pie charts, bar graphs, or scatter plots, depending on the nature of your data. Moreover, consider adding interactive components such as drop-down menus or clickable buttons to enhance user engagement and navigation. Once the functional elements are set up, it's time to design and polish your dashboard. This involves refining the visual aesthetics to ensure your dashboard is not only informative but also visually pleasing. Pay attention to color schemes, font choices, and layout alignment. Consistency in design will make your data easier to interpret and maintain the viewer's attention. Finally, to take your dashboard to the next level, you can automate processes using ChatGPT in conjunction with VBA or Visual Basic for applications. This is ideal for automating repetitive tasks or creating more complex interactivity. ChatGPT can assist by suggesting VBA scripts or helping you modify them to suit your specific needs. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating an interactive, insightful Excel dashboard with the help of ChatGPT. Embrace the AI as your creative co-pilot in this coding journey and enjoy transforming raw data into actionable insights.